happened. We spent some time looking for who that player was. They were asked to show his number, and we did confirm exactly who it was.
You go ahead, take me. Look, this is exciting to see also, but it's how the goal is crafted.
Yeah,
you know, he knows.
Show me your number.
He knows. There's a player. I think it's a quarter. I'm not sure, but he knows there's a player in front of me. I'm not going to shoot, obviously, blast the ball and obviously against the player. Now, what do I need to do? Creativity,
right?
Initiative. This is now where the flair comes in from the youngsters. Again, like Shabalala did, from Mofokeng. So usugile. Look, it's technically, this is dribbling. This is dribbling. You dribble with an intention, with an end result.
Yes.
It's resulted into a goal. Ushifty player, the window opens up. But the technique also to put it far post and get it on target. I mean, how many times have you seen him do this? So clearly, that's his trademark move, especially inside the box.
We want to apologize firstly to Magesi and to Kakora specifically, because we are going to show that a number of times still, because it looks so good.
No, why apologize?
No, because
no, Pamela, you must give respect.
Right.
It's the president, Yama 2000.
Yeah.
As you el professor, magafika endaweni.
Yeah.
So endleleni. Manje bayamtshela ukuthi ne president Yama 2000 seyifikile ndoda suka endleleni akafuna ukusuka. No, ne president no ngitshela kabi. Mamela, for me is the headache tablet that Kakora had to receive after that. Umshaya vala spine. Umshaya spina. Umshaya njengekutop. Umshaya spina. I believe with your spina. Okay. No, Mamela, I will slow it down for you. No, the next one after that's where you use your skill. Yeah, look at that, number 16, right? There it's spinning. You're gonna see 16 again. Is it spinning? There, you're gonna see number 16.
Yeah.
But at training, that's why they say, go with caution when you go to Relebogile Mofokeng. But he gets goal number 5 in all competitions to go together with the 9 assists. If the league is to end today, if Wakto Valiwe, the league is closed today.
Yeah.
That's the football of the season.
Hey!
If the league is to end today,
29 December.
Is that why they call you the bold? What a bold statement.
Again, it's the bold statement. It's the bold statement. Wokomuntu has got, their player of the season as things currently stand. There are those who are from the other side of Gauteng who might feel that their number 10, their Brazilian, might be very much up for that particular goal. So we're not even going to talk about it. What we're going to talk about is the fact that that is goal number 8 now for Orlando Pirates from outside the area this season. It is clearly an instruction that they've received, and one that is clearly working.
I think they're doing well in terms of creating opportunities and converting them.
Yeah.
I mean, the expected goal ratio as well from the 8-1. 12 goals they scored, 8 of them. That is impressive. That's what you want. The higher numbers when it comes to your goal ratio, expected goal ratio. So that is important for a club. It gets you goals. The numbers don't lie. You get to the final third, you convert the chances, you get the